Hi, my name is Natalie Flores, and this is going to be my pitch for my memoir. So, what's it all about? So, when I was asked to write this memoir, a lot of different events popped into my head, but what I eventually stuck with was a specific experience during my senior year marching band season. So, I remember we were at our last competition, and we had just finished performing. This had been my last performance of my marching band career, basically. This was the last one. And our band sat in the stands, and when it was announced that we had won, Best Woodwind, and I was a clarinet player myself, I was a clarinet section leader, and I remember being so thrilled. I remember spending countless hours practicing, trying to get these rhythms down. So it was great to learn that it all paid off in the end. I remember the announcer calling our band as the winner, and I nearly jumped and fell out of my seat because I was so excited. In that moment, I had realized that my band director was right this whole time, and that practice is really key to success, and that we should be grateful for when it does come. So, who, what, when, where, and why? So who, it really included myself, my clarinet section, my band directors, I have two, my other friends in the band, my what. So what I really want this memoir's topic to be is that patience is key, and that it may feel like you're striving for something that may never come, but patience is really all it takes to be successful. Where, this was at our last competition, the Zia Marching Band Festival at UNM, actually. Last one was where, this one's when. When. The whole season is basically from July to October, but the specific instance happened in October of 2019. And why? I feel like I really did learn a lot from this experience, and it really helped me to prepare for future endeavors. So, not only did winning this award shape me, but the whole season did, my whole senior year. And I was a clarinet section leader, as I said, and so I held a lot of responsibility to make sure our section was prepared, and I think I did succeed. These pictures, there's one here. This is actually my two band directors. This picture here is with the drum major, basically the person who conducts all the music at the top, and then this picture is of me and my best friend, also the section leader for the clarinets, holding the award. So I thought that was really cool. And lastly, the theme. So throughout the memoir, I really want to make it clear that patience during practices is what really led to our success during the season. All of that frustration of not getting rhythms or wanting to quit, basically, is what helped us win. And so this is actually the recording of that day of us performing our last performance. And this is what God is best with. So I'm going to play a portion of it right here. Alright, cool. That show was actually called A Rainbow in the Clouds, and it's about hope and having patience and being able to be grateful for the things that you have. And so thank you so much for listening to this and watching this, and that I hope I get to write something that you enjoy.